Hello, welcome back to the channel. Company reached out to me the other week. They sent me an email. They said, would you like us to send you a rucksack review? So I said, yep, sure. Send me one of your rucksacks. I'll have a little look. I had a rucksack before, which I used for America. Fantastic bit of like luggage to carry around. You can carry it around as a bag and on your back. Really, really handy if you're doing a bit of touring or something like that. They asked me which colour would you like. I chose the green. I think they do 4 or 5 colours. I chose the green because I thought, I like green anyway, but it's also ideal for a bit of fishing. Maybe I'll put my fishing gear in it, fishing clothing. When I go fishing, I might like to take some clothing with me, change of clothing if I go overnight. Anyway, the rucksack's in the bag next to me. I'm going to take it out of its wrapper. I've already unboxed it, but tightly packed up. It's by a company called Tolaccea, I think. Tolaccea. Very, very well packaged up. And I'm going on a trip to Amsterdam soon. And this is a little bit too big. That is nice, actually. This is a little bit too big for the Amsterdam trip because we only paid for under seat carry-on luggage. This is more for the overhead locker type. I'll tell you what, this is quality. This is lovely. It's made by a company called Tolaccea. I'm so pleased I chose the green. It's lovely. Let me just read out some specs for you. 35 to 45 litres in size. It expands and compresses by 30%. There are 2 separate pockets. One is especially for wet clothing, and one will be for your dry clothing. We'll have a look at that in a moment. I'll bring the camera in closer and we'll take a little look. Plenty of pockets, plenty of little hoops for adding on your water bottles and tripods and stuff like that if you want to go camping with it. Some lovely padded straps there. You got the harness across the front. So if you can see the straps there, you have the harness which goes across the front. Handle at the top there so you can carry it like a bag. You have clips at the side there so you can clamp it up, clip it like small or large, so you undo them if you want it to be wider. Well, look at the space that has there, look, we can open. I can get hold of it. So you can obviously, if you want it small, depending on what you got packed in it. We'll have a look in the pockets at the moment. It's got some orange, this one particular one is green with like orange stripes and orange bits and pieces which will sharpen the dark. I'll tell you what, it really is really well made. It's got a laptop compartment on the front here which is padded, which takes a 15.6 inch laptop. As I said earlier, it can be carried by hand or it can be carried on the back as a rucksack. That's a really nice bit of kit. I'm going to bring the camera in closer, tip it over. We'll unzip some zips and have a look inside. The green's a lovely green. There's also like a strap, a carry strap on the side there. Really very well made. Let's have a look at this pocket. Let's bring the camera over. We'll have a little look. Lay it down, have a proper look. Right, let's have a look here. So we've got the rucksack there. You can see that. There's the back of it with your straps, padded webbed straps there, webbing on the back there, webbing on the back there, carry handle there. You have, when it's strapped around your body, you have your front strap there, so you pull it nice and tight around your front, tip it over, little carry handle there, another carry handle on the top there. Zips, some nice large zips there with a lock. They can interlock together there. I love these little orange bits on this one. Some lovely tags, some nice big quality zips there. Have a look at the smaller pocket first. Another handle at the bottom there. I'm not sure if I mentioned that one already. So if we take a look at this pocket, we've got a double zipped pocket at the top there. But it only zips down to one side there, which is handy for items. So it's sealed there. You got these loops here, carrying loops for putting your bits and pieces on. So you can zip that under that like so. Little cord in there, if you can see that, for attaching your keys or your valuables, wallets or passport, stuff like that. Have a look at that. So I'll get these tags out of the way. Hoping this is going to be undone. Yeah. Obviously these tags come off, so you've got a zip down the side there, right down the side. Another zip there, padded there, padded there. Looks like it's water resistant or waterproof. I think it's water resistant. That's for your 15.6 inch laptop compartment there. That is padded all the way around. So you're padded at the side of your laptop, padded at the top, padded at the bottom of your laptop. And then we'll take a look inside. Now, if you look there, you've got a zip there. I think you've got zips, yeah, a zip one side there. If you want to make the rucksack thinner and narrower, if you don't want it expanded, you zip that up there. So you go from your 35 litres to 45 litres, like so. It's only on one side. You got you got side handles there as well on one side, so you can carry it as a bag, like so. You've also got so that's your rucksack there. You got hand straps there as well, so you can actually carry it as a proper bag. This is really, really nice. I can see myself using this quite a bit on trips away. Straps there. I'm not sure. These are the ones for the expansion straps. So if you're going to go from 35 litres to 40 litres, as I said earlier, it's adjustable by 30% basically. And let's open up the main compartment, shall we? Have a little look inside. Where's the zips of the main compartment? So the main compartment's at the top there. Oh wow, look at that. That zip goes right there. Okay, opens up. Look at that. So that zip comes right round the corner there, like so, right to the bottom. So it actually opens up like a suitcase. That's brilliant. More zips inside here. Got a compartment in there. Have a look at this, shall we? Got a compartment in there. I think that could be for your laptop in there as well, actually. Not 100% sure. You can put your laptop basically where you want. What's it in there? Another pocket in there, look. Oh, wow. I mean, you can put your laptop in there. You got another pocket in the top there. Fully padded. Which has got two zips. I hope you can see this. Sorry, it's got one zip. It's got one zip at the top there. No, it's got two zips at the top. You've got two zips at the top there. Hope you can see that. You've got two zips at the top there, really padded, really nicely padded there. A massive side pocket down here. So you literally put your laptop where you want. You've got three items there. This is good. Now you've got the other side of it. It opens up like a little mini suitcase. Like a wet pocket here, which is sealed. The wet clothing. You've got your netting and mesh there. Pretty similar to a suitcase. Another one there. And I think, finally, I've spotted another zip up the top here. Wow. And you have another zip. Oh wow, look at that. It's almost like a suitcase, a mini suitcase. This is ideal, I would say, for a long weekend away. So you got, look at that pocket there. So you've got like a suitcase area there, which zips up. Oh, this is cool. It's better than I thought this. It's not your average rucksack. So many compartments. That is a lovely bit of kit. And I said I chose the green because I might go fishing with it. Put my fishing clothing in it. Wet and dry clothing when you finish a fishing trip. Ideal, but that's ideal for travelling on the plane as well. A little bit too big for under the seat, depending on the airline you're with. Ideal for in the above locker. I hope you enjoyed that short video. It's only a rucksack. That's a nice bit of kit, this one. I really mean that. It's very, very well made. I've just found the labels on the front there. So you got the front there, a little bit of info about the care instructions, stuff like that. You got the tag there, which I'll just read it out to you. It says product information: capacity 35 to 45 litres, weight 1.4 kgs, 3.09 pounds, width 12.6 inches, 32 centimetres, height 52 centimetres, 20.47 inches, and the depth is 8.66 to 11.22 inches. That's 22 to 28.5 centimetres in depth when it's fully packed up. Number of compartments, 8. Fabric material, 100% recycled polyester. You got one year warranty with it and an extra year if you register the product. Nice, very nice. 8 compartments. Nice bit of kit, and it opens up like a proper suitcase, not just rucksack. It's like a suitcase type thing. So it's not your rucksack you'd use for like hiking or camping as much. It's more a type of a travel type case for your photography gear, clothes for a little holiday. You could probably get away with a week with that, actually. Thank you to Tola for sending this over to me as a little to do a review on it. They maybe give me a discount below. I think they mentioned something in the email about discount or a code or something. I'm not sure yet. But be sure to click through the link below. I think they'll take you to Amazon. I may get a small commission if you click through Amazon link, but it'll cost you no more. And literally, Amazon give you pennies, so it's negligible. But if you go for that little link, I appreciate it. It helps support the channel. Cheers to Tola for sending me this product. Really nice bit of kit. I'm not just saying that, it's nice. I'll definitely be using that in the future, and I'll maybe pop back and do another little review of it when I'm actually using it on my back at the airport. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.